Looking for the best digital clamp meters to make your electrical testing faster, safer, and more efficient? Whether you are a seasoned electrician or a hands-on DIY enthusiast, using the wrong meter can cost you time, money, and even safety. Today's clamp meters are not just basic current detectors, they are multifunction tools packed with advanced features like non-contact voltage detection, temperature measurement, and auto-ranging technology. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. ANENG Digital Clamp Meter Multimeter. The ANENG Digital Clamp Meter is a compact and budget-friendly option that still delivers solid performance across a range of measurement tasks. It is especially appealing for beginner electricians or DIYers looking for a starter clamp meter with helpful functionality and simple controls. This device measures alternating current only, but it also covers alternating current and direct current voltage, resistance, capacitance, frequency, diode checks, and continuity. While it may not support direct current, its other functions make it versatile enough for most troubleshooting jobs at home or in the field. It includes a backlight for better screen visibility and a convenient non-contact voltage detector for safer inspections. One of its unique aspects is the double open clamp design. It provides a wider grip of up to 1.42 inches, allowing for more flexible clamping, especially in tight or busy wiring spaces. This helps improve accuracy by making it easier to center the conductor within the clamp. Portability is another strong point of the ANENG model. Number 4. Klein Tools CL120VP Clamp Meter. If you want an all-in-one solution that offers more than just a clamp meter, the Klein Tools CL120VP kit is a well-rounded option that packs high value into a single package. It is designed for electricians and general users alike who need more than one testing tool in their arsenal. This bundle includes the CL120 clamp meter, a non-contact voltage tester, a receptacle tester, and test leads, all stored neatly in a carrying pouch. The clamp meter itself is auto-ranging, which makes it easier to work without constantly adjusting settings. It can measure alternating current through the clamp and alternating current and direct current voltage, resistance, and continuity through the leads. Number 3. Fluke 323 Clamp Meter. Fluke has long been recognized as a trusted name in professional electrical tools, and the Fluke 323 clamp meter is a perfect representation of that legacy. Designed with both commercial and residential electricians in mind, this clamp meter provides a level of reliability and precision that is difficult to match in its class. Its greatest advantage lies in accuracy and build quality. This model measures alternating current up to 400 amp and both alternating current and direct current voltage up to 600 volt. It also tests for resistance and continuity, making it a powerful asset when checking for circuit performance or breakpoints. Number 2. AstroAI Digital Clamp Meter Multimeter. The AstroAI Digital Clamp Meter is an exceptional entry-level tool that has earned widespread trust among users, from hobbyists to experienced technicians. It has a sharp and modern design and offers more functionality than expected for its affordable price. With a high rating from thousands of users and top-selling status, this device deserves a strong place on this list. One standout quality is how it simplifies complex measurements. It offers automatic ranging and data hold, which helps speed up the process and reduce errors when moving from one task to another. It also features a max and min recording capability, which is a huge help during load tests. The intuitive backlit display and built-in flashlight increase its versatility for both indoor and outdoor use. Safety is a core focus for this meter. Its non-contact voltage testing with both sound and visual alerts makes identifying live wires straightforward and safe. Number 1. Kiwitz Digital Clamp Meter Multimeter. Among all the options available today, the Kiwitz Digital Clamp Meter stands out as a top-tier choice in both function and value. This tool is designed for those who want a compact, affordable, yet advanced solution for everyday electrical diagnostics. Its popularity and strong customer ratings are a testament to its dependability and performance. What makes it rise above others is its D-shaped jaw design, which allows users to comfortably clamp cables up to 1.1 inches. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.